What's up, guys? Welcome to my Throwback Tuesday on Nigerian Wedding Diary. My name is Odigo. It has been a long week. I know you guys missed me and I've missed you too. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be throwing you guys back to the ever gorgeous Ajanego Simeon, who got married to a long-time lover Castro. Love one thing. Well, the story be say the man supported her all through her career, all through our school. So immediately after our graduation, they got married. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the full wedding video. So relax, sit back, stay tuned.
MC, they watch camera. Let's move. Hey!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, about this time we'd like to welcome in the bride for her last entrance. Thank you very much. Please wait up now. I would like to call on Mrs. Veronica. First of all, Let's go. Come.
Face here.
Idu. Ọmọ ìbákalẹ̀ ìdájọba. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀la kọ́lọ́. Yàrá ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ẹ̀rẹ́ kẹlẹ́ mi ló wọlé. Ẹ̀kọ́jú ọlọ́gbọ́n mi kìlẹ̀. You will now unveil the bride. Idu. Idu. Hold on. Let's go to the cake stand, please. Cake stand. Cake stand. Sorry. Yeah, those are my friends now. Where are they? Masterclass on it. It's about you. Using money. Everybody, give me letter L. And I want to say, everybody, give me letter O. And I want to say, give me letter D. And to crown it all, I want you all to give me the letter E. And then what we have there? Thank you. Please, let's sit down together. Look at the way you ran into the camera. I love this. Until I met my wife. It be like she do me voodoo, she tell me to be Facebook, looking for new place to like, I never like. I got nobody new big you make us a really fight. She be playing so bad, claiming I'm a pet. Carry prices, calling her with you corner for the nicest. Because if you drive into a muscle, I real one. What you see in my eyes, went viral. Please, and they have a frame here. They want to do the presentation of their frame, please. If you have any presentation, if you have any frame, now is the time, please. Me bana fu me kuna ke kai be bana fu ja kan le ko kai menyi mi do mo de palu mi dia shua memda eju biti mi kuna ka le ku ma kana na ma recording choponi gala mi shaka o ki gala ba ko kana fu I gala ba ko please, I want you to just let everybody see this frame. Camera, drum, I want to pick this. Drum, pick. Drum, thank you. Drum is pick. Thank you. I love those. Thank you. Astrovert, please. Your Instagram frame have a presentation again. I love these. I love these. It's killing. Thank you. It's killing. It's killing. Wow, I love this. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this, my episode of Throwback Thursday. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on your post notification, and leave a comment below. I can't wait to see you guys on my next Throwback Thursday video. Love you guys.